What else? Good morning. Good morning. Wow. Wow. Did you have a good sleep? Yes, because you kept Mommy up all night. It's okay. I'm not mad at you. No. What, are you happy this morning? What do you have planned for today? That's a lot of things. It's a lot of things you're going to fit into one day. Are you going to visit anybody? Really? Are you going to see Nana? Are you going to let Mommy nap and work today? No, probably not. Probably not. Wow. You have lots to say so early. Yes. Is that it? Anything else?